Also, world meteorologist Kirsten Lang, thanks for joining me on your Tuesday. Lots to talk about for today, forecast wise. We are looking at the potential for severe storms. The probability, though, seems to lack just a bit for us. Let's show you how things are looking for us today on our Futurecast. 6 a.m. this morning, things are pretty quiet. You may see a sprinkle or two, but what we're really watching for is the afternoon. You start to see a couple of showers and storms spark up down to our south and portions of Texas, far southeastern Oklahoma, but it still remains relatively quiet and relatively dry for us here in Tulsa and pretty much all of eastern Oklahoma. So what we're watching is that the dry line is going to be setting up off towards the west, even farther west than Oklahoma City, and we could see a couple of these stronger to possibly severe storms develop along this dry line. However, at this moment, it looks as though there's a layer of warmer air that's higher up in the atmosphere, and that's going to be suppressing any vertical development with these thunderstorms and pretty much keeping us dry in and around most of the state for the better part of the day. So you see tornadic, or rather I should say, you see the possibility for some tornadic development up towards the north, severe thunderstorm activity up towards the north in portions of Kansas, even farther north in areas of Nebraska, and right along Wichita up towards Kansas City. Really, these look like the areas that may have the best chance for potentially seeing these stronger to severe storms later on at night, whereas things look relatively dry and quiet for us here in Oklahoma, in eastern Oklahoma. So that's how things look to be shaping up. Then the cold front comes through, a couple of showers kind of wrap back behind that, and those showers and storms do hold the potential of possibly being stronger to severe, but really the severe parameters hold true earlier in the day and ahead of the cold front. And back behind the cold front, then you get that dry air that starts to move in. And then we start dealing with the possibility of that elevated fire danger as you have strong north winds that are coming in. And then also low humidity levels. But I do want to note too, on Wednesday, towards the east, that's going to be the best chance then for seeing any severe storms that develop as you head into, again, Missouri and Arkansas, and then down in portions of Texas. So as far as the chance for severe storms, they put a very large swath on the map, the Storm Prediction Center, of potentially seeing severe weather, because again, all of the ingredients are there. It's just whether or not we're going to be seeing what's called the cap is hold true or not. And so that cap keeps that vertical development from occurring. So if we continue to see that cap, that warm air aloft, kind of keeping those thunderstorms from developing, well, then things will be quiet for us. But if it breaks and those storms start to fire up, then of course we will be looking for the chance for some severe weather. So we'll keep watching that, of course, throughout the day today, and we'll let you know the latest as it comes in. Severe threats, again, we were talking about this too, the potential for tornadic development, large hail, wind damage. Really, these are going to be the main threats with that. As far as today goes, again, isolated showers and thunderstorms are possible. Otherwise, those temperatures getting up into the 80s ahead of that. But then after the front passes, we're going to be seeing some cooler weather back behind the front. So 82 is the high, but then on Wednesday, after that front moves through, you're going to see those temperatures in the upper 60s, right around 70 degrees. Then on Thursday, and then as we head in towards the weekend, there is a chance for seeing some showers and storms Friday into Saturday. Temperatures hold in the steady in the 70s through the weekend.